about a modification that's going to be going on to the RT. Now, before I talk about that, I just want to go over a couple of things. Number one, the channel's approaching 15,000 subscribers, and that's unbelievable. I really want to thank everyone that's hitting that subscribe button, taking the time out of their day to watch the videos, like them, and especially comment. I really want to thank you guys so much. I can't believe the amount of channel growth that's happening, and yeah, it's awesome. The number two thing is my seatbelt. I always have this on. Many of you guys are concerned about my safety, and I really do appreciate it and everything. But typically what I do is I buckle in and then I throw this strap behind me. Now, I know that's not the correct way of doing it, but just know that it is around my waist. If anything were to happen, I wouldn't go flying out of the car. I might hit my head, you know, be out for a little while, but you know, it's just so uncomfortable for me. I know it's not right, but I do it anyway. So, but thank you for the concern. Now, let's talk about the modification. I just ordered it. I'm not exactly 100% sure when it's going to come in, but I can say within the next week or so, it's going to likely end up into the RT. I gave you guys a hint in the last video, and it is the Eibach lowering springs. There was two options that I was kicking around. Really, the only two options that you have, and that is the Pro-kit and the Sportline. The Pro-kit sits slightly higher. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm not doing this for performance purposes or anything along those lines. I'm basically getting these springs to improve the overall look of the car. I want the stance to look a little bit more aggressive. I want it to look a little bit more sporty. And I think the lowering springs are going to do a really good job of that. I know this because my buddy Sean, Red Hemi RT, has it on his red Charger RT, and they look dynamite. And in person, it's really what sold me on the idea of it. Just the overall look, just the stance of the car looks great. Another factor is that I no longer daily drive my RT. It kind of just sits in the driveway, and you know, once or twice a week I'll pull it out and drive it around and everything. But the fact that I can lower the car and it's not daily driven anymore, I'm not going to really damage the bottom of the car, so I can drive it sparingly and, you know, have it look good and basically break it out when car meets are around or collaborations or whatever, you know. So my overall concern with the lowering springs was that if I lowered my Charger with everyday, you know, use, it's going to just completely kill the bottom of the car. The on-ramps and the potholes, and you know, many of you guys have been around for a while, know that I hit so many potholes. But this Monte Carlo is doing a great job of being a daily driver, so I'm going to continue down this path. And having the Monte Carlo as the daily driver has kind of opened up the door for me to modify my car a little bit differently than I would have if it was my daily driver. Pretty much up until this point, I've been modding my car as a daily driver. I don't do anything super aggressive or anything along those lines. So with all of that being said, I placed my order for the lowering springs. I'm going to have the performance shop jack up the car, likely sometime, you know, next week during the week. Unfortunately, I have the next couple of weeks are just ridiculous for me. In regards to my personal life, I have a lot of plans going on, and time is becoming an issue. So, you know, that being said, oh, before I forget, there is some big news coming within the next couple of weeks. I'm really excited. I'm really pumped about this news, and I can't wait to share it. But It's a little premature to say anything further than that at this point, but just know that a lot of the reason why I'm going to be moving and shaking with the RT is because of this bit of news that I will likely be sharing within the next couple of days. So you're going to see some changes with the RT, hopefully within the next month or so. Not hopefully, it's going to happen within the next month. And yeah, keep calm and mod on. This guy, Lou, everybody's been asking about you. Where have you been? Forget about it.